This is my new cabinet incubator that my husband is making for me. Oh crap, the bag come off. But you can see my controls right here, and I'll link in the description to the playlist where we're converting this. The whole thing, we bought that from Incubator Warehouse. And you can see we've got the fan inside and that one. And then right there are my, sorry about the traffic guys, there's nothing I can do. Those are my vents, and I'll show you here in just a second. I had to tie that on there because it's still out in the weather. But here's the vents. We use a canning lid to cover our vents. The jail is complete. You can see right there. I was supposed to paint the jail, but we had a little issue. Just a small one. There's the jail. I'll have to pick up some more paint. Of course, we've got the other adult barn and this barn. So we've had those for a while. My buff Polish are over in the second barn over there. There's my puppies. They're in a jailhouse now. They're in a jailhouse now. Look at them babies. Looks like Biddy's gonna make it. There's my brooder. But here's the thing that I was wanting to show other than my incubator. This is my building. You can see right there, my husband, well, I was already awake. But my husband came and told me, he said, hey, you can go and step on your floor. Here is my floor. And that's going to be how big my building will be. I'm going to have a sink right here, which is like the other side of my kitchen sink. But the incubator, the worms, everything will go in here. So, today I'm supposed to go get, when I go get that buff Polish frizzle, buff laced Polish frizzle roux. Woo! Say that a couple times fast. Anyways, when I go get him, I'm supposed to actually get, we're going to put insulation here, because the building is going to have to be warm in the winter and probably cooled in the summer. So, because of course we live in Arkansas, y'all. Hold on, I'm going to carefully try to get off here without getting killed. Not the most graceful person in the world. There's part of my other floor, but it's coming along really fast. This is August 22nd, and we have had chickens. We started out May 12th. It was either May 12th or May 11th. I want to say the night of May 11th. My husband brought home my chickens. And none of this was here. None of these buildings that I'm showing you right now was here. So in the time of that, we have either built or bought. And actually we didn't buy. Like this right here, I didn't buy that. That was given to us. We just had to go pick it up. The cage here was given. That cage was given, which is what I put my buff Polish in yesterday. And let's see, let's just make a trip. There's my little girls. There's my new little girls. You see, no blood on anybody? Good. All right. Well, that is and you can see it is building up. I don't think we do anything by half measures. All right. Have a great day, guys.